Hello traders. I just want to introduce myself. Actually, I'm working as a professor in a private university. During this lockdown, as everyone faced the problem, I also have faced the same problem that the salary cut out. So during this period, actually, I was searching for an opportunity for the second income. Okay, because we all were sitting at home and we don't have the proper income. So it is not, it is affected all the sectors, not only the educational sector, all the sectors. So I also searching for the second income. So during this period, while searching this second income, I kept some criteria. That means which type of job that I need, the job which will give a freedom. That means first it should be a self dependence. I'm not saying that it is like a independent. That means I need to work and I should not depend anyone whatever it is happening because of that job, that I will be the responsible, whole and sole responsible for that particular, either it may be good or bad. And one more thing is that if anything is going to happen, good or bad, that I only responsible to give the explanation why it happened, and I no need to give the explanation to others, the explanation only to me. Okay, are you getting? So the first criteria that I want to keep, that whatever it is going to happen, whether it is good or bad, it is because of me. And whenever if I have some other important thing, that means whenever we are giving the priority, if the priority is more than this job, then that day I need to be off. That means I'm not going to be work for that particular day, and I no need to inform to anyone also. It is also my decision. Okay, so that is the first criteria. Second criteria is that, and while developing a competency, that means whenever we are doing a work day by day, and when we are getting the more grip and competency towards that particular profile, that competency has to be transferable to the next generation. That means my daughter or son, I need to transfer that competency to my daughter or son, so that they also will have some type of confidence in their life. Even though if they're going for some job, they will be having this confidence that this is going to help you out at any type of trouble in their life. So these two criterias I kept. So I keep on searching for a good opportunity, and finally I have decided that these two criterias are met only by one profession. It's nothing but trading. So I'm calling that, remember that this is as a profession. This is not a joke, or this is not that means child play that we can do like simply as like that. It is not like that. We need to give more importance. This has to be taken or treated as a profession. So I have decided that I am going to take trading as my second profession. So I have seen n number of YouTube videos regarding which strategy is good, how we are going to, that means how we are going to observe the market and how we are going to trade it. I don't get any conclusion because there are so many videos, there are so many strategies, and no strategy will work 100% as all you know that. And so I have purchased some books also for reading, because I am into the profession of teaching. So I have a habit of reading the books. So to understand the market, I have purchased some books and I have read. And after reading those books, some books, I have learned something. That means I got some idea about the market, how it is behaving, when it is going to go up, when it is going to go down, when we are going to take a entry. All these things I have gained some knowledge. So as I told that, being this profession of teaching, it is our that means inner soul, that whatever we learn, we are tend to spread the knowledge to others. We are, because if we don't teach in any one day, it that day will not be complete. The day will not be complete, and we can say that it is, that is what, that will give the happy to us. Okay. So what I am going to do it here, as being a professor, I want to spread my knowledge to others. In this, I am just going to share what I am expecting about the market behavior. So in this channel, I am just going to show how, what I am expecting, whether the market is going to go up or down in a particular day. I am just talking about the intraday, day trading, because many of us, or many of the traders are worrying about the day trading. I just want to show, or I just want to explain, or I just want to focus how the market is going to be. So I am still, actually I am still working. I am not, I didn't quit my job. I am into the working. So I will not get the enough time. Enough time means I cannot be in front of the monitor from 9:15 to 3:30, because it is impossible. I'll be having a theory class. I'll be having a practicals. Apart from that, I'll be having some administrative works. After whenever I get a time, definitely I'll see the market, and I will analyze, and I will put a video, or I'll make a video regarding what I am expecting in that particular time. That means everyone will say that we need to observe the market from 9:15 to 3:30. But as far as my concern, whenever I see a market, and whenever I see that, so sorry for the interruption. If sometimes the audio might be cut. So whenever I get a time, so definitely I will post a video, and I will say that how the market is going to behave. Okay, so traders, we will meet you in the next video with a live trading. What I'm expecting about this market and all. And I kept this N2P as my logo. What is this N2P means? It is novice to pro trader. I just want to make the how we are making the students to be ready for the industry, or to the means any the work, what they are going to do. So like that, I just want to make the novice trader to pro trader, and I also will become a pro trader once. I am very confident. I am not a pro trader now, but I am also learning, and whatever I have learned, I just want to discuss, and I just want to promote, or I just want to share with others. Only that is the motto for me. And whenever that means, if you find it is informative, you can also try this technique, and you also get confident. Then you can promote this to others, so that others means you can tell to your, even your family members, or to your friends. So if it is helpful, if it is helpful, and I'm very sure that whenever we take a class, suppose if there are 50 students, we don't expect all hundreds to that means 50 students will get the same knowledge, because someone will be a slow learner, someone will be the fast learner. So whatever you understand, you try to see the video, and you try to read some books, or try to read some book, so you will get idea. So next time we will see with a live video. Thank you for watching this. I'll try to make you everything clear from the next video. Thank you.